Okay, so this is 912 Arapahoe Street, and we are now in the kind of final stages of demo, working on reconstruction. So this video is just going to show the process of starting to rip off the old ceilings, walls, and starting to reframe in different spots. Amazing what we found as we dug into the attic. Just this old 150-year-old wood. We had to support the house in different ways as we started taking off the roof, but it was fun. We pulled a lot of that old wood out, and it really exposed the whole roof as we got into recreating the second story. I say we, but really our contractor, DT Construct. But it's amazing how as we unpeeled the roof, just the history we found in the home, and the wood we found that we're going to now use to restore different parts of the home. Now we're rebuilding basically the second story. The roof is off, we've got a floor down, we're starting to build walls. This is going to be the master suite upstairs, so part of this process is just laying the framing here to construct the second story. Again, rebuilt the ceiling, and the entire first floor had to be re-supported, re-girded, and put back together with some heavy lambs and different support beams around the house. But it was fun when we got up here on the second story, just the views we found that we had out the windows, and the exact cool spots of where the windows are located. Again, another shot of the second story coming into play here, and just more brick, exposed brick that we found. The flooring's all ripped up, and we're going to restore as much as we can of the flooring there. We added a back laundry room that will also be a deck upstairs. And here's all the wood from the attic that we're going to use to denail and use as accent wood around the home. Get another shot. Now we're working on furring the outside of the home so that we can put siding on it, and insulating the furring here as well, getting ready for new siding. Another shot of the front. New front porch was poured, new side porch was poured, insulation put in between the furring strips, and patio turned out well. We're going to have a side door here. Here's our brick mason restoring some of the old brick, getting the things set up for the interior, and here goes the cool hardy board cement siding that will cover the whole home. Drywall's going in, stairs went in, and there's the siding. So the next video will be the finished product.